Bueno, mis amigos, pues ya estamos aquí en el booth de David Lee, que es el Bassboss. Estamos esperando la prueba de audio ya en 2 minutitos inicia. Y bueno, pues queremos ver qué es lo que hace el Kraken. Mire, aquí está el Kraken. Este es el Kraken y está toda la colección de David Lee, todas las bocinas, todo alrededor, elevadores, estructuras, todo lo que tienen. Y pues aquí está, en un ratito más, en minutos, comienza la prueba de audio del Bassboss David Lee. Aquí estamos y no nos vamos a ir hasta que mírenos esta prueba. Ya está para iniciar. Miren nomás, aquí está toda la colección. Pero más que nada queremos escuchar lo que es la Kraken, que es esta que está aquí. En un minutitos más iniciamos.
We have David Lee here. I'll let him say a few words and then we'll dive into some of the new tech.
I never know what words. What words?
Spoken ones.
Spoken words. That's, yeah. Okay, so there's the what, and there's the how, and there's the why. And we're going to show you, kind of what the products do in terms of, listening to them and stuff like that. But what we want to impress upon you is, sort of more of a why thing about why these boxes, in particular for your purposes, the utility of them, that they're extremely concentrated power. And we put a lot of top-end components, a lot of development and functionality in them. And some people say, oh yeah, that's just genius. It's like, really, it's generous. We're putting a tremendous amount of stuff in here. So we're gonna go through these boxes. Samuel will go through the details of what we're gonna do and all that good stuff. The news in this sort of Namm release context is that we've got new processing, new amplification, and new capabilities that we're introducing. The good news for anybody who owns existing products is that they're all still compatible. They haven't become obsolete. This just offers people additional capabilities. And so if you are needing to add to your system, you can totally do that. Everything is compatible. Everything is pre-programmed, and they all align with each other. So you can effectively mix and match. Now you can't get silly and expect things to array that aren't intended to do that, but you can mix any subwoofer with any other subwoofer. You can mix any top with any sub. So if you need a particular combination, or if you like a particular combination and you maybe don't hear it, ask us, we'll play it after. Other than that, you can never, we go through this over and over again. I can never remember what I remembered and what I forgot. So I'm gonna hand it back over to Samia, and she'll remember more than I do.
Thank you, David. Start with the SV9s, the small 9s, in full range, no subs.
Time is frozen. Velvet skies like lightning vibes. We be floating. 'Cause when you touch me, I swear I can't speak. I'm out of body, there ain't no coming back. And when you touch me, that's what my heart needs. Yeah, we can run free. I know that it can be light. Is a way. I know I can find me light. Is a way. I know
So SV9, no subwoofer.
anywhere, anywhere. I know I can find you anywhere, anywhere, anywhere. I know I can try to.
Now we'll go to DV12 without the subwoofer.
What is it?
go to the Diamond coaxial. Again, it's meant to be paired with the sub, but we'll try it natively.
'Cause when you touch me, I swear I can't speak. I'm out of body, there ain't no coming back. And when you touch
And now the AT212.
me, yeah, we
So yeah, that box is a monster. So we'll switch back to the SV9 and we'll add in the 15-inch subwoofer.
shooting stars, skies are open. A ray of spark.
For those that have just joined, that's the small 9-inch top with the 15-inch subwoofer. We're going to move on to the 12-inch top, the DB12, with the DJ18 subwoofer below it. Sticking with that same main, we're going to switch to the SSP Series 118, the next subwoofer outboard.
Beating hearts. Worlds apart, the shooting stars.
Continuing the progression, we'll go to the 21-inch subwoofer.
A ray of spark. Worlds apart, the shooting stars, skies are open.
So we'll stick with the 21, but now we'll go over to the Diamond, the 12-inch coaxial main.
Worlds apart, the shooting stars, skies are open.
Keep the 21, and we'll go to the double 12 T212. We're going to switch to the double 15-inch sub.
Worlds apart, the shooting stars, skies are
Now we'll do the double 15 and the VS21.
beating. Worlds apart, the shooting stars, skies are open. A ray of sparks, a beating hearts.
I mentioned headroom earlier, and that's one of the amazing things about the 212 main, is it will do the job that would normally require a few line arrays per side, but it's coming out of a very portable point source box. So we'll enhance the experience some more by switching to the ZV28s, and I'll add in some more subwoofers after that so you can see the capability of that main.
Worlds apart, the shooting stars, skies are open. A ray of sparks, a beating hearts, lost in motion.
And bear in mind, there's a lot of headroom left. We do operate under some of the Namm constraints, so we're doing our best to keep it down. So I'm going to stick with the ZV28s, which are the outboard double 18s, and we'll add in the 215, and we'll maintain the same main, the 212. as you can tell, the main is still not getting lost with that amount of low frequency. So we'll go ahead and turn it up another notch. We'll add the VS21 in and stick with the same main speakers. So we'll fade out of those subwoofers and go to the Kraken in the center. You'll have both depth and impact. And one of my favorite things about the Kraken is how much output per space consumed. So when you look at it from a square footage or a cubic footage standpoint, a truck pack standpoint, and consumption in valuable venue space, there's nothing on the market that delivers what that does in terms of output, physicality, SPL, low frequency extension, and punch. So it's truly an extraordinary value. To the line array cabinets, we'll add in some ZB28s, and I'm going to switch over to one of my favorite tracks. I think you guys will enjoy it. It gets better when we add the Kraken. So if you're game, I'm gonna add the Kraken. And that was a quick walk through the line. So we're gonna do a little bit of a reset, get some more people in the room, let some folks cycle out. Thank you.